everyone, I'm Bon and welcome to my third daily edition. So basically in this daily edition, I'll be remaking based on my first third daily edition and Mrs. Pratt's requirement for the third daily edition itself. So firstly, I'll have to analyze the advantages of pie charts over other kinds of charts, such as bar charts, bullet points, etc. Alright, so a pie chart is basically a circle with lines dividing it into either equal or unequal parts depending on the percentage or part that an individual may want to present. This means that instead of having to draw lines and multiple bars and taking up a lot of space, it is really easy to present because it's just a circle and it doesn't take up much space. The words that are written in a pie chart don't take up much space either because they're written in the portion itself. So basically, when a pie chart is presented, it is usually easier to present due to the fact that, well, it's a pie chart and there isn't a need for really complicated explanations because compared to other charts, let's just take bar charts for this example, you have to carefully add up the percentages and understand them in order to present them. However, on a pie chart, you only need to point out the percentages or maybe the ratios or etc. and then present it in a nice and simple way. So in order to measure the portions in this, we would usually use percentages or basically angles and stuff, basically in order to divide the circle evenly or basically according to the question / plan / whatever elements there are. So next is how we use tools in our document. Personally, after type a document, I usually put a tab, put it back a little bit in the beginning of each paragraph. So it differentiates different paragraphs, and I usually use the square thingy button to equalize every part so that it looks more like a balanced essay. I would also put the topic in bold and larger font than the others and put it straight in the middle. So, protractors. Mrs. Pratt did mention this, however, to be honest, I don't actually have a protractor and I just usually measure angles by eyeballing them, and I know it's not really the most efficient way to do this. However, I think that for time, it is the easiest as well as the most convenient to use the protractors. So assuming that I did have a protractor, I would need to measure the angles based on what the protractor gives, and then basically just do any measuring that a pie chart needs. So to summarize it all, pie charts are easier to use, easier to present, and can measure angles, percentages, etc. better than other types of charts, such as bar charts, etc. In order to use tools in document, I'll have to test around everything or almost everything. And lastly, using protractors in order to measure angles is crucial for any type of pie chart. So that's all from my third daily edition. I hope it was better than the first one. Thanks for listening and bye.